Now, your local forecast, accurate and dependable from the Weather Channel. Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Current regional conditions. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. This is the Weather Channel. Weather you can always turn to for accurate, dependable weather forecasts 24 hours a day.
Here's a look at this afternoon's weather and a look at the satellite photograph in motion, which shows good-sized storms back here in the mountains and working its way onto the east. This should be dropping maybe up 4 to 6 inches of snow in the Continental Divide in Colorado during the nighttime hours tonight. Running ahead of it with a stationary front in through here is quite a lot of rain and spreading its way east. And there's a front just kind of become entangled in the east coast, and that is presenting with the northeast coast as well as the southeast coast, with some scattered showers, an occasional heavy rain shower like one at Philadelphia at the moment. And back in through here, the rain continues to move on almost due east at about 15 to 20 miles an hour, but we can see some of the precipitation still back in Wyoming and portions of Colorado as well. A little closer look at the northeast shows rain up into Maine and around Lebanon in New Hampshire and back across New Jersey and on into the vicinity of Baltimore, Washington. Actually east of there now it's moved on through, but Trenton, Philadelphia, Atlantic City is getting into the rain activity now, as is New York, and up around Sandy Hook they're picking up some rain as well. That's all moving to the east. To the south, it's scattered showers and thunder showers from South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida back on across Louisiana into the coastal areas of Texas. And the north central part of the nation has got this rain continuing to move out of Nebraska and Kansas and across northern Missouri and southern Iowa and on into the northern parts of Illinois. Around Omaha and St. Joe in Kansas City and Lamoni. It continues to work east, generally light with an occasional little embedded area of moderate rain in there, moving east at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Our look at the current national map shows that the low is back and just about to work its way into parts of Colorado. Could be some snow falling in the very higher elevations here. Fog, Ainsworth and Mullins in Nebraska, both down to about 1/8 of a mile visibility, so that's a driving problem through there. And the rain continues to spread on to the east. And here's the stuff just kind of hanging on the east coast, generally light to...
And now it's time for the Michelin Drivers Report, brought to you by Michelin and your participating Michelin dealers.
Some rain again, some showers and even thunderstorms, second day in a row from parts of Pennsylvania down through West Virginia, all the way down the Appalachian chain and even eastward into the Piedmont. Now we do have a frontal system kind of stuck in the Midwest with some rains that get a little cooler and heavier as we go up the slopes toward the Rocky Mountains. We even had some snow overnight in parts of Utah and the Wasatch Mountains of Utah, and Telluride, Colorado had a touch of snow, so way high up this rainy travel will become snowy travel this afternoon. On the other hand, from Maine all the way down to Florida and in between, we have rain and showery travel, let's say, on the east coast, some of which may become strong thunderstorms in the southeast, but a triangular-shaped area of severe potential in the high plains, eastern Colorado in particular, till 6 p.m. as winds flow on up into that area. National radar shows you that not much is going on the Pacific coast, but storms already lining up along the front range of Colorado. Some showers into the Corn Belt, and showers move into New Jersey, Delaware, and also developing now over parts of Florida.
For regional Michelin drivers reports, call the Weather Channel Connection, 1-900-WEATHER.
High-performance cars, luxury performance cars, family cars, light trucks. If you've got the car, we've got the tire. Michelin, because so much is riding on your tires.
Find Michelin tires at this dealer near you because so much is riding on your tires.